Engine degreasing 101, Carl style. This had a bunch of leaks before I started. Transmission needed a new slave and clutch and whatnot. So while we got it out, we're gonna make it look pretty. We're going all the way with this one, boys.
Take your favorite degreaser. This isn't made for cars, but it'll work. LA is totally awesome. Get it at the DG. Had an empty bottle, poured it in there. Next thing we need is a high-powered brake cleaner. This doesn't come out at the velocity I would like, but is great for breaking down grease. There's like 3M makes this high-powered stuff. It's awesome, but also 2 or 3 times more expensive. Last thing you'll need is a rag. So you can see I haven't got to this part of the oil pan yet, but a lot of the oil and grease is gone. Take your spray, spray it down. Wait about 10 minutes. Then I spray it down again. Wait about 10 minutes. Spray it down again. Because I don't like putting in the elbow grease. And play on your phone or computer while you wait. Spray our rag down with some degreaser. We're gonna wipe it. Now we grab our brake cleaner. And this stuff's gonna melt off for us better than just brake cleaner or degreaser alone. Look at that. That was a pile of grease in that corner. All gone. Pile of grease and dirt and oil here. All gone. Well, maybe we got a little bit in the corner. Yeah, see, that's grit, dirt, grease. Just, there we go. Now it's all gone. It doesn't matter how dirty your engine is. If you do this, it just melts away like butter. Patience. Spray it down with degreaser. Go play on your phone. Fight a battle on Clash Royale. Spray it down again. Fight one more battle. Join my clan, Fur Curl's army. Spray it down again. Fight one more battle, then you're ready to go to work. Whatever you do, always wear your safety shades, guys. I pulled mine up for a second and got a squirt in my eye. See how red my eye? It stings like the dickens for like 5 minutes. I was flushing my eye out. So yeah, these little crevices, you shoot it with the brake cleaner, right back in your freaking face. Safety shades, people, very important. So this stuff by CRC probably stings about the worst. I've had a lot in my eye over the years. I will tell you, this one does taste the best. It has like a sweetness to it. I'm not even kidding. I'm on my 3rd can. This is about a 4-can job. And my skin is stinging like it's warm. So yeah, I don't know what's in this red can CRC, but that's the qualities of it. It's a little different. Like that Mac stuff, that's weak AF.
And no matter what you're living with, what past, what you've been through, what addictions you may have, what trauma you've been through, what love you lost, or your life is just perfect. There's color and beauty in love. Love is what makes the world go round. It's what makes it happy, joyous, and free. No matter what anyone says.